She ain't going nowhere. She right there, so if you got a hunch, you better bunch. Because you cannot accumulate if you do not speculate.
There she is. There she is, right there.
Excuse me. I'd like to bet here.
Oh, gentlemen, please make room for the lady. Looking to invest a little pin money, huh, sweetheart?
Pin this, Mac.
Hold it up!
Hey! Chris, take him! In the truck!
Hey! Watch the arm! Watch the arm!
Hey, fella, shut it down, would you, huh? I'm a cop. I'll give you ID in 2 minutes. Just shut it down, please.
Hey, come on, take it easy.
Yeah. Got a couple of Al Capones here. Bunko, assaulting an officer, resisting arrest, possession of an illegal handgun.
I never saw it before in my life.
Come on, let's go.
Look, I never saw it before either.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. She took a pretty good knockout there, sir.
I want you to have an X-ray. You got to have an X-ray. I don't want
just
any of
wanna
my
get this
detectives
guy in.
walking around hurt.
I just want to get this guy into booking. I'm fine.
Hey, watch it, buddy. Hey, what are you doing down there?
There he is! Somebody! Charlie! Charlie! Charlie, we're on it! We're here, man! We're here! You, don't you move! Don't you move, man. Don't breathe. Don't you breathe. Turn over. Turn over on your belly.
Okay. Okay.
Now give me your hand back here. Put your head down.
Give it to me.
Put your head down.
It's okay.
Give me this.